Awareness shapes direction. Thought shapes action. And the life you consistently imagine slowly becomes the life you live. Transformation begins the moment consciousness awakens intentionally. I spent years beneath the noise, distracted by uncertainty and doubt, searching everywhere outside for strength already deep inside. Then quietly the truth appeared, beyond confusion, beyond fear. The mind becomes the architect of every future first believe. In possibilities unseen, every soul embracing growth can become unstoppable. Awaken the power within you. Awaken the power within you. Let awareness completely guide you. No limitation can control. A focused station can control. A focused, fearless, hopeful soul. With mental discipline through the climb and resilience through changing times. Every vision, every dream can become reality. I learned consciousness creates the direction shaping fate. Because confidence we hold within, every challenge strength and focus, and every vision greatness open began transforming my way. The future changes through intention, through persistence and clear direction. And every person mastering thought can rise beyond the odds. See beyond the present fear. Hold your purpose strong and clear. Because transformation first begins within awakened consciousness. No darkness lasts eternally before determined choosing growth moves closer to greatness. Now I awaken the power boldly with fearless vision surrounding me. No fear can weaken what I see. I move forward intentionally with resilience, focus, and faith combined. I leave limitation behind, and every challenge helps me prove awareness transforms life too. Awareness transforms life too. Think intentionally, see clearly, and awaken the power already living within you.